I got the Audi Q7 that we're gonna replace the. No, yeah, we're gonna Diagnos for Misfire. So I'm gonna use this, and let's take this out. You see, Q8, the new Q8, they designed like this supercharged V6. So I already scanned it. Let me put the car leader right here. So is the number cylinder 6. Alright, I get it. Now we're gonna go, and so cylinder 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should be on the right side from the phone. So we're gonna take it out. This one I already unbolt this one, then remove this, then you can take it off this one, so you'll be able to see it. And remove this one. Yep. The ECU. I'm gonna take it off now. I already take off the cover, but I don't wanna take off the hose. That's why I'm gonna leave it right here. So here the supercharged pulley. So the ignition coil should be right over there. I mean, it's not that hard though. Just you want more space, just remove this thing, then remove that T-bolt. Should be 20 mm. Then you can be able to take it up, the ignition coil. So yeah, it's a 2018 Q7 with a V6 engine, like supercharged, but the newer one got the V6 turbo, not the supercharged one. So yeah, I think it's kind of more easier, I guess. Well, let's just do it. Now I'm gonna move this one just a little bit, then I'll be able to unbolt that one. I got it. Small. Another one. Got it. I'm gonna use the pick tool. Something like dip it up. Stuff like that, then we can just take it off. I got to take it off. This one is going at the cylinder 4, so I'm gonna put it 6. I'll put it this one right here, so we can find out is it the coil pack is bad or not. Kind of simple one. They put back pretty much everything just to test it up. I'm gonna test it like this. So prepare, plug the socket. So I'm gonna start the car now and see how we go. Alright. So right now I already clear it. So now for restart. at this moment, I'm gonna check the spark plug because the Misfire is still the same position. Checking them. Alright. Oh, I already take off the spark plug, so yeah, I got injector. And this thing is not bad though. Already removed the left side for the right side spark plug. So as you can see here, damn, it's not focused. Let me get the other one. Alright, I'm gonna take out the other three so you can see it. It's kind of easy, a lot easier than the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna take up all this for the left side from the phone, the right side from the phone is here. Damn, it's kind of hot though. I'm sweating. Oh, it's kind of hot. Alright, we got the new spark plug. I'll take up the spark plug. So we're gonna use the NGK one. So let's see. It's damn hot here. We're gonna put on, then we're gonna start it. Got the full coat, and we should be good now. Alright, our bag, but I forgot to frame it like just now. It's kind of hot out here, so yeah. So just I put everything back. Right now it's already started, no vibration. Everything is good. So let me just show you. Back everything. Put back the cover. Yep, that's simple. Put back everything. It's just the Q7. Gonna cruise it. It's gonna still hot.